This much better. Woo!
Got this.
Woo! Woo!
Good morning. It's 6:20 in the morning. And we're gonna head off to a place called Prairie City Off-Road Park to go to a Discovery Off-Road course. It's a 2-day course about vehicle recovery, about vehicle driving off-road, four-wheel drive, about trying to learn and get the skill level up with your vehicle so you know what the heck you're doing when you get off-road. So it's just part of the adventure and part of what we're trying to learn to be able to get better and better when we take off the road for 1 year. Rock and roll, here we go. Okay, honey, we're here.
Look like we are
That's
early.
Bob's truck. We saw it in 2018 at the
Expo.
Overland Expo.
It's a Ram 2500, but it's the Ram 2500 Power Wagon, so it's a 3/4 ton truck.
Well, folks, we made it to the Environmental Center at Prairie City Off-Road Park. Here is Bob's rig, right here. I've seen him also pull a Jeep on some of the YouTube videos.
And I'm towing, as you can see, I'm towing my Jeep with...
So he's got a pretty good rig and travels all over and teaches these courses. Hey folks, part of the course, which we can't film inside, is to climb underneath your vehicle and start looking at everything and look for armor, look for other stuff. So here's our fuel tank. It's 46 gallons. Here is our transfer case. Differential. Oil filters. Hey, honey. And U-joint. So for the course. The course has been great. So we haven't gotten out on the road. It's all about theory right now, which is super important. So we're gonna keep doing it. I gotta show wee stuff.
Okay. So what is that?
What do you want? Here.
Okay.
Oh, right here.
What is that called?
That's your oil pan.
Oil
Here,
pan.
let me turn this off for a second. Front differential, remember?
Okay, right.
It's on the solid
It says
axle.
solid axle, yeah.
And then this is our transmission.
Transmission over there.
This is our transfer case.
Transfer
We have
case.
some armor right here.
What's the armor?
This. But we really don't have. This is the fuel tank. See how big it is?
Okay, it's the fuel tank.
See how big?
Where's the armor again? This is the armor.
Just this. We don't
That's
really have armor.
How about this one?
That's part of the leaf springs, but it's not armor. Okay, we're gonna go to an off-road part of the park, and I guess we're gonna do some actual off-roading. Today's supposed to be light, tomorrow a lot heavier. So we'll see. We can't really film a whole lot, so we'll do the best we can and show you. This one is for the front, this was for the back. So if you put this in neutral,
Right.
you're only in rear wheel drive. If you
Okay.
put this in neutral and this into something, then
Right.
you're in front wheel drive. If you put them both up front, they're four wheel drive. Both back, four wheel drive. Car, no brake. The first day truly was about theory and maybe a little bit of downhill and switching back from four-wheel drive to two-wheel drive. Then we found a campsite not far out of town and had a great evening.
Well, brother, I don't know, but I got
Honey.
this fever
Say something.
further on up the road.
Well, at camp, everything's good. One of the guys over here is with us. He's from Australia, but he's our schoolmate. So come out and join us.
One sunny morning, he called my name and my heart gambler, the gambler.
Hi, right now is what, 7:30. I tried to put my camper ready for the bed. So this is what I do. Good morning.
Good morning. So last night was a lot of fun. We had a pretty good campsite. Great discussion. Simon from our class sat down with us, had some amazing stories. Crossing Afghanistan in his 20s. That was pretty wild. And we all told stories and lies and scratched, all man stuff. And this morning, we're supposed to be spending almost all day out on the hills and on the roads. So we'll see how that goes. Yesterday was really good because it gave a refresher for a lot of things that we knew and brought up a lot of things that we didn't. So let's see how today goes. I think it's going to be great. Hang in there. Huh, babe? Stay tuned. Okay, so we're at the grounds over here, and we're going to start going a little off-road, but everybody's airing down their tires. So Simon over here is airing down his. What'd you go to?
30 on the front
30?
and 40 on the back.
40 on the back. So you run 80 PSI normally.
On the back, rear
On the
wheel,
back.
yeah.
All right. And then you're using a gauge?
Using gauge.
Excellent. How low you going?
Down to 20.
All right. You look inside your door jamb, and this is basically tire pressure. So we went to 50% of what it says in your door jamb, what your vehicle's rated for. So front is 55, back is 60, so we went to 27 and 30. So we'll see how much that helps the ride. Should smooth it out quite a bit.
Which one?
That guy.
Oh, how you know? Oh, the light on, huh? Oh, the Canadian guy.
Can you tell us easier?
That's map.
We didn't know it at the time, but we would be climbing this hill also. We all had several chances to hone our skills with our vehicles on some obstacles and different rocky roads.
We have this big hole here that has loose traction in it. If we were coming up, not so much.
Like this kind thing,
So we just did a little hill. We did get a chance to switch back and forth on our gears, which are quite hard to go back and forth. And Bob said it's probably because they haven't been used that much. So I think he's right. We've just got to do that a lot, get them loosened up, and we'll do a lot better. This transfer case in a Sportsmobile actually has 14 different gears that you can put the vehicle in. So does Winnebago making it down?
you want to see the rock is getting
She shouldn't get so close to the right there. Whoa, get over that way. That way.
Oh man, he go to, oh no. He going go all the way to the left side. He doing it, I think.
Yeah, she made it.
Your side steps they're the worst. All right, awesome vehicle, Tom. It's over there.
Something I did yesterday.
Yeah, I wouldn't even worry about this middle berm because the rocks are so loose and they're so small. Yeah, we're rubbing back there. You're doing good. All right, a little more to driver. All right, let's stop.
There you go.
All right, keep going. You're fine. You're gonna be up and off it. Keep going.
Hey, go kid will be spotting me while I'm driving. Wish me luck. I'm kinda a little bit nervous.
So, we just did this rock trail, and everybody got a chance to go through, and everybody got a chance to spot. So what we're going to end up doing now is having some lunch, and then we're going to do the same type of thing but going uphill. So that should be very interesting. So a little nervous, and so is Wee Wee, but she did a great job. She just drove all the way through. Whew! It's more nerve-wracking actually to spot than it is to drive, because driving you just have to do what the spotter says. It's the spotter that's responsible, so that's tough. Just went through and we loosened all the lugs. This is part of the class on compression, substrate, sand. We've got to stick the jack under the axle to get this thing up.
All right. I said 1 and 2. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. All right.
All right. So we have room to.
Because a lot of times when a tire's flat, it sits lower.
I see.
So sometimes you have to dig out because it's lower. To put a fully inflated tire, you need to have enough space.
Okay.
Here you go.
Yep, really tight.
Yep.
All right. I said 1 and 2.
Fit there. So let's put this over the top of it just to add added protection. Now, I want to show one thing before we put that on. Look at the bottom of this X-jack. Look at the spikes.
Wow, right.
See, so it actually, that's the side that goes down, obviously.
You got that kind of centered on the frame?
Yeah, more or less. It's brilliant. Steel cable, and there's synthetic cable. Ice, which is either a hook or a winch line shackle mount. So now we need a shackle, so hold on to that. Let's go ahead and use the new... It just got released at the SEMA show 2 weeks ago, and this is the new thinking of pulleys. So we would put this down there at where that shackle is, onto the tree strap, run the line. Gravity hates us now. Gravity hates us now. Gravity hates us now. So we've got to have that momentum thing. If you can do this hill, which I think all these vehicles that are in the line can, stay off that clutch. Go, 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 go. Brake and accelerator. Go, go. Go! Good line! Go! Good line! Go! You got it! Go! You got it! Good line! Nicely done! Woo!
Yeah.
You're on! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! No hammer down, just momentum. That's it. Go, go, go. Momentum. Keep going. Momentum. Go. Don't stop. Go. Excellent. Nicely done. Walk that Colorado right.
Woo, Charlie!
Woo! I'm bouncing. That's where the independent front suspension is.
Whoa!
All right. A little bit too fast, but that was good. You had a little bit of speed, not
See, don't stop. Keep going. 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 See, he keeps stop. Keep going. Don't stop.
Don't
Keep
stop.
going. Keep going.
You're stopping.
This is much better.
Walk this thing up. Keep going. Don't stop. Right at that speed. Keep going. Right at that speed. Walk it up. Look at that. Got this.
Woo! 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 Watch out, Key! The tire. Hey, go Okay, more.
You taking it down, wee wee?
Yeah. I think look like going down is easy
That's cool.
than going up, don't you?
Look at that. Yeah, I do. Maybe.
Energy strap. That is a strap with stitched ends for loops at the end. The problem with those is that the loops at the end are stitched. How it's 7 to 1/8 of an inch or 3/4 of an inch. This is a pretty good size shackle. Hey, starting the pull. Boy, that pulled him right out.
One of the amazing things about this course was Bob had equipment that you could actually get your hands on and see how it physically works. He also has a very good opinion on different types of equipment. With your vehicle, we were able to walk and see and learn how to spot each other. You'd plan it out in your head before you moved forward. He gave us very good insight with trying to understand how you plan your path and your line before you tackle it. Bob also has a series of books that parallel his course. I highly recommend getting those, as we did. Bob also has tours that he plans and takes people on, and we signed up for Baja next year.